Waterfalls. You know, they wouldn't sound so melodious if there were no rocks in their way. There is a hidden message in every waterfall. It says, if you are flexible, falling will never hurt you. A waterfall cannot be silent, just as wisdom. When they speak, the voice of power speaks. Go with the flow, force nothing, let it happen, trusting that whichever way it goes, it's for the best. Run wild and feel like a waterfall. It is life, I think, to watch the water. A man can learn so many things. I love the sounds and the power of pounding water, whether it is the waves or a waterfall. The waterfall is nature's laughter. A strong person and a waterfall always carve their own path. There's no better place to find yourself than sitting by a waterfall and listening to its music. Grace is finding a waterfall when you were only looking for a stream. Waterfalls makes us notice their height, not the depth. Day is almost breaking in the forest. Somewhere the brilliant blue snake of a river slithers. There are clouds resting on the hills, lakes as round as eyes. Water is the most perfect traveler because when it travels, it becomes the path itself. A waterfall is concerned only with being itself, not with doing something it considers. Like a waterfall, life doesn't flow backwards. Carve your path like a raw waterfall. Mother Nature is the greatest artist, and water is one of her favorite brushes. Water is the driver of nature. Happiness comes in rushes. For a stream to become a waterfall, it needs to leave its comfort zone and fall from a height. I can see my rainbow calling me through the misty breeze of my waterfall. Don't be a fish, be a frog. Swim in the water and jump when you hit ground. Not all the falls are failures. Some are a way back home. There's nobody living who couldn't stand all afternoon in front of a waterfall. Go wherever you feel most alive.